Hi, Jolene. This is Krisha Warren, and I just finished watching your presentation on how you sound while giving a speech. I thought you had some very valid points that I think a lot of people fail to recognize. The most important thing you said that really resonated with me was how you sound is as important as what you say. I think a lot of times speakers get in a position where how they sound, you turn them off because they're monotone or their pace is too quick, so you can't really follow them. So I think that the tips that you gave on the pace and the volume and pitch and inflection, all of those things are very important. Another thing that really stood out to me and is something that I have personally experienced is your logistics. Before you give a presentation or a speech or you're in front of an audience, is you want to check your logistics, whatever the room is like, the sound quality of the room. If you're using a microphone, ensuring that mic actually works well and that you're not testing it out on the live audience necessarily, just to get that all out of the way. So again, I definitely benefited from listening and watching your presentation, and I thank you for sharing.